Hello effects, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chef Resol TV News. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to also like the videos and also share if you have any means to share this video. So of it, I once saw something mayelana noMamKhize. Njengoba sazi uMamKhize useyinkingeni eyiningi, kodwa ke zingekho ningi ngaleyo ndlela ngoba phela kuthiwa-ke uma unemali eningi uba iy'nkinga ezimnandi kushuthi angeke sazi yabo. But-ke inkinga-ke akade kuyona kakhulu ukulandelelwa especially uSARS, South African Revenue Services. So what happened laphaya ukuthi-ke MamKhize was implicated as omunye wabantu-ke mhlampe possibly or allegedly ongahle-ke ebe mhlampe nemotive yokuthi-ke agcine-ke enze lesenzo ekusolakala ukuthi ngathi-ke usenzile, yabo. She is implicated kuleso senzo leso just because le lawyer ekuyiyona-ke ekuthiwa-ke icishe yalinyazwa laphayana-ke ngenkathi-ke idutshulwa noma kudutshulwa-ke imoto uyena uMamKhize, yabo. Why? Because-ke iyona ebilandelela-ke icase yakhe-ke yakwa-SARS. So Shona Mkhize-ke allegedly implicated in assassination attempt. So i-South Africa-ke nabazi abantu-ke bakhona la e-South Africa, they always have something to say if ever mhlampe ube nogazi-ke noma-ke bakuthandile noma bebona ukuthi okay there is something ababona ukuthi cha lento le ayi kodwa akwazi ukuthi-ke kungawuMamKhize at this time-ke why, yabo, kuthiwa uyena. So okwenzakalayo laphayana-ke ukuthi-ke the woman ekuthiwa-ke uKoreth laphayana-ke narrowly escaped death after-ke representing SARS in a tax inquiry involving uMamKhize. So usho laphayana-ke one of ama-reporters, online reporters, singasho nje singananazi sithi-ke according to Briefly News. So South Africa, Mzansi says hands off MamKhize, claiming that the hit could have been orchestrated by someone else, yabo. Okay, fine-ke kusolakala uMamKhize, but-ke how many cases-ke lo sisi-ke noma le lawyer edila nawo lawo ma-cases of which-ke lawo ma-case noma labo bantu edila nabo ngaleso sikhathi-ke kungenzeka ukuthi bona abamlandelelayo, yabona nje. If uyi-lawyer kubalulekile ukuthi-ke ube ne-protection eceleni, yabo, ngoba ekugcineni ungagcina ngempela ususola abantu-ke okungeyibona. Akisho ukuthi uMamKhize akusuye, but-ke what if akusuye ngempela, yabo. So nabantu-ke bathi hands off MamKhize just because they feel like there is no proof, there is no enough proof mhlampe-ke engenza ukuthi kugcine kuthiwa-ke uyena uMamKhize. So there are so many comments regarding this orchestrated or this story is MamKhize, yabo. So u-advocate lo ekusolwa ngathi-ke uMamKhize-ke ubembulala, I think nawa lama comments lawo, okay. Ahlukahlukene nje ngafika kuwona now. Okay, laphayana-ke uJosi uthi-ke yena they are going after MamKhize now, and-ke uClown Seekers uthe-ke yena kahle ulokhu-ke it's a question la khona-ke ebuza ukuthi-ke so they had to sneak in MamKhize as if MamKhize is the only person that can harm her. Nami-ke ilokhu engiyibuza kona ukuthi-ke ngempela why bekhetha ukuthi-ke ngoba nakho kuwuMamKhize mhlampe-ke enza i-inquiry over kuyena-ke bese-ke kusolwa yena. I don't know ngempela ukuthi-ke what's the motive behind ukusolakala kukaMamKhize. Maybe-ke they have mhlampe-ke ama-reasons bona are-valid, we don't know. So TK Live also wrote leave MamKhize alone, and bese kuba uMpho Khumalo naye uthena-ke it's so easy to point at MamKhize, she doesn't work with other cases. yabo. Imibuzo yethu, I think umbuzo vele uzogcina uwodwa. Ucabanga nawe lapha emakhaya mhlampe la ukhona nje, ucabanga nawe ukuthi ngempela-ke uMamKhize uyena kuphela umuntu obengenza lento mangaka ama-case mhlampe lo advocate adila ngawo, yabo. Uyena kuphela uMamKhize obengasolakala, onepower yokukwazi ukwenza izinto ngale ndlela ekushiwo ngayo ukuthi alimaze abantu. We don't know bafethu, kodwa-ke asazi, yabo. Umlungisi Mabasa laphayana-ke uthe, how does MamKhize become the first suspect? Nathi-ke siyazibuza ukuthi kanjani asazi, yabo. Maybe ngoba naku mhlampe usozimali, uney'mali, yikho-ke bemsola, noma uyena kuphela umuntu-ke onganemotive yokubulala-ke lo advocate. Asazi bafethu. If you have anything ehlukile mhlawumbe ufisa ukuthi-ke ungayisho, please ngiyacela ukuthi uyisho la kwi-comment section. So bese kuzoba uBro Mandla othi yena, leave MamKhize alone, that's not the only case she does. Kushiwo-ke kuyena-ke lapho advocate uthi this is not the only case that she is following, so there are so many cases that she is dealing with, therefore she must also look forward ukuthi-ke athole abantu-ke mhlampe abangaba nesizathu sokuthi-ke ngempela beze belimaze noma-ke bemlandelelele ukuthi-ke bambulale ngale ndlela le, yabo, akade befuna ukumbulala ngayo. Usindile-ke nokho lo advocate njengoba nibona-ke ukuthi-ke kugcine kulimala-ke kakhulukazi laphayana-ke imoto abehamba ngayo. Sibonge kona lokho bafethu ukuthi-ke usindile lo muntu lona-ke, naye usebenzela abantwana bakhe njengoba-ke nimbona, yabo, excluding indaba ye-race nani, but akukho right ukuthi-ke ekugcineni umuntu uma yenza umsebenzi wakhe then alandelelwe ngale ndlela alandelelwa ngayo. Kodwa-ke into-ke esingeke-ke sayivimba-ke la e-South Africa bafethu, because siyazi ukuthi abantu abenza-ke izinto ey'-right ibona ngempela futhi ababa ama-victims over lezo zinto lezi abazenzayo mhlampe to protect umphakathi, to protect i-economy yakhona la e-South Africa, to also protect ama-families abo bafethu, yabo. So I recommend ukuthi mhlampe kwesinye isikhathi if ungu-advocate okuleleya zinga lokuthi-ke udila nama-cases ngempela-ke a-high profile njengalawa, i-state-ke kubalulekile ukuthi-ke siku-provide ngama-services e-security, yabo, because vele usuke wenza umsebenzi waso i-state. You are protecting the constitution of this country. So I think it is very important for the state to take izinto ey'fana nalezo very serious. Other than lokho, guys, please do comment ngalolu daba kuyona i-comment section. But-ke ngokwami mina ngithi-ke no, I don't think ukuthi uMamKhize mhlampe-ke ongaba uyena muntu kuphela oyi-suspect over le matter le yalo advocate-ke ocishe naye swela-ke umphefumulo wakhe just because he was attacked by hitmen. Anyways, guys, do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to subscribe also to my YouTube channel. Danko.